Okay guys, now everybody knows how to make the chocolate cake. I just did one single packet with 1 egg and 2 tablespoons cream. And I made this chocolate cake, and what I'm gonna do now is take it, flip it, I'm gonna cut it. Now that you guys have the recipe for the mousse, and the chocolate glaze, look at this. Guys, man, there's nothing better than this. You cannot tell this has no sugar. You cannot tell this is keto. I mean, I'm serious, I'm not joking. If I was at a restaurant and I could get a keto cake that tasted this good, I would pay 10 bucks for it, because to be able to eat something like this and not get off of my diet, it's like unbelievable. So here I got a layered chocolate cake with glaze, and the oil in it is just cream and coconut oil. The flour is organic golden flax and organic coconut flour. I mean, what more do you want? Here, look at what this looks like. So absolutely out of this world good. Okay? So watch the recipe for the glaze, watch the recipe for the mousse, the mocha mousse, and buy yourself some chocolate cake and enjoy this delicious dessert, and watch the pounds fall off at the same time. God bless you. Visit healthytreatsmarket.com and place your order today.